Alright, it is August 5th, 2013. We are at Moon Dancer Circle and the process of removing this huge oak tree in our backyard, well, in the green space that borders the backyard, is about to happen. The tree guys are out here. The chipper is ready to go. There is a massive hornet's nest in this thing as well that they're going to have to contend with. As you can see, here's our backyard. There's the pool that it's basically hanging over, and it consumes all of the sun that even tries to get to the pool. So we're looking forward to having a nice warm pool heated by the sun. You can actually hang out by the pool in the day and get some sun, because this tree typically eats up all the light. So it is a massive tree, over 100 years old, but it is rotted out and in danger of falling, so the city has decided to cut it down, or at least most of it. So this is the before. Move outside here for a second. The wood chipper. There's the first of the chainsaws. See this big bad boy? It's going to come down. The first cut has been made. Started. Alright. She was?
Yeah. And I told her, you came in there and you changed her mind, but she said there was going to be a sponsor of it.
Oh, there's the chipper. It's still massive. Yeah, really. He's up there. See him up there? Watch this big limb's gonna come off right here. See him hitting it with the saw? Bam! Nice. Yeah, they're all gone. Right. And I never did see the owl. Saw the owl? Yeah. Right. Making the initial cuts. Coming down, you can see quite a bit. Making the initial cuts. There it is. They got her tied off. Seeds going in from the base. God, he is going low. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh. Oops. Damn. that sucks. Bummer. Bummer. Killed the...
Yeah, I'll get on the phone. Well, at least it's rubbed clean at this section. Yeah, there's one in the neighbors too. Is it? Oh, man. Fuck. Hey, at that point, it does no, it's no good for me to check it up. It's not good to do it.
Wow, that was gnarly, man. Alright, well, we'll go assess the damage here.
But at that point, when you cut, you just dump. Nobody's going to stand and check it up. Nobody can stand and check it up.
Wow. Alright, there it is. Got the neighbors too. Alright, I'm sure these guys don't like me filming it, so later.